So I just brought the camera to Bristol City Centre today. What I'm doing is I'm just exploring the town. I'm using a different tripod today, so I just hope the tripod is actually better with the autofocus today. The weather is not bad. I think it's about 16 degrees Celsius. And if you're watching this channel, and I'm a Bristol creator, I do a lot of videos for Bristol, and if you know somebody who see me around, who watch my videos, please do let them know that I create content for Bristol and I'm a Bristol creator, and I plan to show people how beautiful Bristol is. Today is just content creation day. I just came out creating content all day, and I just thought it's the best day to show people how beautiful Bristol is. I'm here today just to show you guys how beautiful Bristol is. I'm in Broadmead at the moment, and then behind me there, that's the Hippodrome, Bristol. And then I'm going to go all the way to Pond Street, explore that gorgeous street, and then we can capture some moment from there. If you see me with my big camera around, just say hello. I'm not scary. I'm just a YouTuber trying to hit 1 million one day. All right, let's continue vlogging. Right, so I just got some nice fans here. They're subscribing to my channel. We're hitting 1 million. 1 million is the goal. 1 million. 1 million. All right, thank you, man. Thank you, guys.
Apparently it's got 183.
As you say, you just have to accept it. You can't really delve into it.
I'm trying to master this camera, like Mo said, that he can't wait for me to master this Sony camera. It's very big, you know. I'm used to shooting with a small camera, which I mean a GoPro. That's the camera I'm used to, but I try my best to master this camera, because if I can master this camera, you can imagine the quality, I mean the content I'm going to get you from this camera. It's really difficult to adjust the autofocus, unlike the GoPro where you just flip the camera, tweak the settings, then there you're shooting. So I'm going to master the camera, and hopefully I can get you the best content you always want. At the moment you can see I'm switching the camera because it's really bulky, and I'm just at Con Street right now. I'm going to flip the camera so that you can see how beautiful Con Street is looking like today. I'm shooting with a Sony A7c, I mean the Alpha 7c. It's a 7 series. I believe the autofocus is pretty amazing, but I'm outdoor. I don't know, the last time the autofocus was all over the place, but my previous video the autofocus was bang on. So I'm just going to get far away from this beautiful cozy club so that I can see how beautiful this building actually look like. I just have too much of content today, and I think I'm getting a little bit tired. Right. And then this building in front of me here is St. Nicholas Market. It's a food market. I don't know if I can get in there and show you guys what kind of food they do. I'm not sure if they open today, but let's see if I could get in there and get you some amazing shots.
But then you should be good enough to get loads of people in.
Oh, yeah.
find the right road. Like just which way to
Literally about a month ago. Oh, brilliant. Back to the garage.
They're just doing the garage now, yeah. But inside, I've done a good job.
That's what we were just going to be.
Thank you, man. Sorry, man. Perfect. Hi guys, I'm creating the content for GhanaFunTube. How are you guys doing today?
Yeah, good.
What's your name?
Ella.
And you?
Suhan.
Max.
Maddie.
Stan.
Yeah, how's your day been?
Good.
Yeah?
We've had college, so average, but alright for a
Best it
college
could
day.
be. Well, I didn't go.
Oh,
Bad man.
that's not all of us then.
No, I ditched it today. I didn't.
Alright, so I'm just recording, doing some content for my channel. Do you guys want to tell my viewers something unique about College Green or Bristol?
College Green.
Where the best place to go?
I'll put a word in. College Green is the best place on earth. I'm telling you now for free. The reason why is because you can sit here and be happy all the time. Can't be happy.
I agree with you.
Happiest place on
Because
earth.
imagine just popping into Tesco.
Yeah. You've got everything.
Get a meal deal.
Come and sit down. Oh, there's a Greg's around the corner.
Oh yeah, Greg's down there, yeah.
Yeah, you can fill as much sausage as you want.
Let me plug really quickly. Burger Chicken down there. If you're getting anything, get your food from Burger Chicken.
Best fries.
Lovely people as well.
Pardon?
Yeah.
Lovely people though.
Boss man
Yeah,
in
lovely
there.
people, right?
Yeah.
Alright, are you guys local? Do you live in Bristol? Or where do you live?
I live in Bishopston.
And you?
I live like north of Bristol.
And you? Clifton. I was there a few minutes ago.
I live north of Bristol as well.
Hotwells.
Okay, I live in Poised, so yeah.
That's where my dad lives.
Oh, really? Yeah, so you probably see a lot of videos from Poised,
My
right?
great uncle lives there.
Oh yeah?
Great uncle.
My
Well,
great uncle's cat's
It was nice talking to you guys.
Yeah.
And if you're watching this video, this is Bristol City Centre. I'm in College Green and this lights are just amazing. You know, if you're watching, please do subscribe. Give the video a big like. Right, so guys, so it's been amazing. I hope you have a wonderful day.
And you.
Oh my god. Don't vape in the video.
It's amazing, man. Was the best. Yeah, I agree.